How to add and customize footer in Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to add and customize your footer in your Wix Studio website. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Wix Studio account and then you can choose the website. I'm gonna choose this one. And then you will be redirected to your website dashboard. You can navigate to edit site here. You can click on it. After that, you will be in the website dashboard. This is my website dashboard. As you can see, I'm gonna scroll down and this is my footer. So let's say I want to add new footer. I'm gonna add new section here. And then you can click on add an element. And then on the sidebar, you can go to section here. So basically there are some footer option here. So you can choose whatever you want. So let's say I want to choose this one. I think it's good. I'm going to click on it and it added to your section. So this is my new footer. This is my old footer. So that was how to add a footer to your Wix Studio. So now I want to customize it or change it. So let's say I want to change the text. I'm gonna click it and then I'm gonna right click, select a layer and then choose the text. And then I'm gonna change the text. So let's say, uh, I don't know, maybe welcome, just for example, welcome like that. And that's it. And then I want to change it, change the sign up from here to, I want to move it, want to move it, this one to here, maybe here, it's up to you. This is just for example, and I think that's it. And then I want to change it to maybe my website tutorials with Sena, it's like that. Then also you can change the navigation menu, the socials. You can add your Facebook link, Instagram, and YouTube, and you can add your company details here. Yeah, you can customize it whatever you want. So I think that's it. How to add and customize your footer. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.